Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change order of products in Shopify. So what you need to do is to create actually collection. You need to have a collection. You can't do it directly in your all products. You need to have a collection, then you add the collection to your page. You have summer collection here, right? And now in products, I can see it sort, product title, Z to A, and then I have a menu here. And I can simply choose like how the products are going to be aligned and what is the order of it. So this is how you can change simply order of your products in Shopify. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you in here. Have a great day and goodbye.